So we have this Carol tower builder, and we should be in two different situations where we have Carol here, and then we have another situation where we have Carol here, right? And so you should have it solved for one of the worlds, but not for both of them. And so let's assume that you have it solved for this kind of a world where the number of columns is 3 or odd. And so what should be here is a tower of 3 balls, and it'll say done. And then what you should have over here is a tower of 3 balls, but this tower shouldn't be here, right? And so what needs to happen is once Carol gets to this location, which is front is blocked, I guess, a decision needs to be made. And the decision is should Carol build the tower, right? So you need to check. And so when you're here, you're thinking, okay, well, how can I distinguish between these two worlds, right? And you look at your different Boolean expressions or your different conditional expressions for Carol, and you have like front is blocked, you got south is blocked, you have west is clear, you have north is clear, ball present. And you'll notice that like for all of those different conditional expressions, they're the same in both of these worlds, right? So you must be thinking, you cannot distinguish between these two worlds, right? How can Carol decide which type of world she's in? And so it's true. In this position, Carol cannot distinguish which world she's in. But if we move Carol back one space, right, and change her state, then now we could distinguish between which world she's in. So let's say we get to the end, and when we get to the end, we don't build the tower, right? And instead we move back one space. And now that Carol is here and here, we could say if ball present, right? And if ball's present, then what are you going to do? Well, you're going to turn Carol back around and leave her there, not build a tower, right? And else, meaning else ball's not present, and you're in this situation, then you can turn around, get over here, and build your tower, right? So it's about changing Carol's state before making the check to see which type of world you're in.